Hi guys, let's try to fix the issue when your camera is not working in Windows Discord application. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. First off, completely close Discord. So first close the user window. Now right click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager, click on the search bar, search for Discord, right click on Discord and task to terminate the background processes. And now go to the Windows settings, this gear icon, or you can go to settings from the start menu. Go to the privacy and security section and scroll down until you see the camera section. Now make sure that you let apps access your camera. And don't worry if you don't see Discord over here, you just need to make sure that this switcher is on. If you see Discord over here, also make sure that you let desktop apps access your camera. Next, update your camera drivers. To do this, you need once again to open the Start menu. Now type in Device Manager. Open this application, find your camera. Right-click and click on Update Driver. Now automatically search for drivers. My camera has the best drivers already, so let me close this window. Now let's open the Discord application once again. And what you need to do is go to Settings, click on this gear icon next to your profile, and scroll down to Voice and Video. Over here you need to find voice and video, and here find your camera. So video settings, here you can test your camera and make sure that your camera is selected in this drop down. Then also you can try to disable video backgrounds and scroll down and disable hardware acceleration. This may help if you have an issue with your hardware graphic card rather than with camera. Now you can close Discord once again. If the problem persists, check if your camera works in your system camera application. So hit the Windows key and start typing camera. Open the application. And if your camera works, everything is okay, you have problems in Discord, you can reinstall the application as the last resort. If you have an external camera, try to unplug it and test with another device. Also, running Discord as administrator often helps. Make sure you have administrator rights on your PC, then right-click on the Discord icon and run as administrator. Hit yes over here. It really often helps, but if you found out that the problem is in camera itself, probably you need to repair or replace the device. Or as a last resort, you can try to manually reinstall drivers. To do this, go back to Device Manager. Find your camera model, Google search for this driver, then right-click on the device, go to Properties. Select the driver tab, roll back driver and reinstall driver manually, but make sure you downloaded the driver from the official website. And that's pretty it. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.